Look, now they cry, don't enter my shot. Akwaba, welcome to Abidjan. Well, we are in the camp of the Super Eagles, the training pitch. Behind you, what description can you have for this facility that it's located in a police college?
Top-notch facility. I mean, virtually every military and paramilitary in Africa, you expect that there's an angle of sport, and you expect to see good facility. I'm really impressed with how the Ivorian Police Academy have really built this facility, which of course is one of the venues for the teams that will train ahead of the Nations Cup. It's fantastic.
And from what you've seen of the Super Eagles, from what you've read, from what you've reported, how do you describe preparations for the AFCON?
Well, preparations for AFCON, yes, one thing is certain and one thing is key. A lot of teams in Africa do not have much time to prepare because of the fact that they have several things to do as per club activities. But whenever it's AFCON, you expect that everything should be on deck. And for the Super Eagles of Nigeria, they had a queue of quite a number of days in Abu Dhabi to prepare for this. And yes, injury might have set in at some point to their key players, from Boniface to Taiwo Awoniyi, but they still have enough in their arsenal. I think they've had the very it may not be the best of preparation, but fair enough, they've had good preparation. And don't forget also with the recent announcement from the federal government talking about the disbursement or the approval of monies being owed to Tika, a lot of things for the NFF and the Super Eagles and other teams. I think it will really go well. We will not have issues with bonuses at the moment, so there will not be distractions in camp. Hopefully the boys can put it behind, put things together and get the needed result, because Nigerians are hungry for yet another AFCON trophy.
Finally, we're looking at this facility. If this facility is this good, that means the main venue for AFCON should be better than this.
Yeah, it should be better than this. I mean, CoteD'Ivoire has had years to prepare for this. Having also built one of the stadia that Super Eagles will be playing, talking about the Alassane Ouattara Stadium. It was refurbished. It used to be a stadium, known for a series of issues. We also had a series of stadia in Cote d'Ivoire that has also been built from scratch. So they've had time to prepare. And with the collaboration of the Ivorian government, with help from different parts of the world, in the Asian part of the world, that has really helped them to build these facilities. I think from the look of what you've seen or what we've seen in Ivory Coast so far, they're very good in building structures. So we expect to see even more better facility when the tournament kickstarts. Don't forget, CAF, would also want to see that they can host a tournament, not wait for 40 years before they host another major tournament. So it's a plus for them, and we hope to see a better facility when the tournament kickstarts properly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I want to talk to you. Yes, how are you? Yes, well done. Sorry, guys, let's talk a bit. Just a minute.
Je sais que vous avez des applications, je vois ça. Je suis venu vous dire que vous avez 15 minutes pour filmer, et puis après, à ce point, il va savoir de nous. Voilà, qui est en train de filmer. Je pense pas si tout à l'heure, ils ont confirmé leur visite, William a confirmé.
Okay, so you understand some English, right?
Okay, you are.
Okay, so the information we got from CAF is that normally there's the official time window for press is on the eve of the match. That should be like a Saturday for 15 minutes. But I've been able to talk to him, so he will allow us 15 minutes for today. And then he said the only official window is 15 minutes on the eve of the match. That should be Saturday. But for today, we can have this.
That's match day -1.
So we put on there so we can have this. Later on, I will communicate officially on how we can make arrangements to have normal way we do, perhaps in our hotel. So we'll have just 15 minutes here.
Like beginning from the training, the start of the training.
So the official window for
From what you've seen, from what you've followed about the Super Eagles, what do you make of their preparations? What do you make of their readiness?
Well, every team coming into this competition, or most teams, have just 2 weeks to prepare, because according to the FIFA stipulations, clubs can only release players for major competitions for 2 weeks. So, yes, some that are predominantly home-based players have the luxury of training for up to 3 weeks. So we are all on the same level. It's left for the Super Eagles to maximize their togetherness from Abu Dhabi to Lagos and then to Abidjan. They've been in town for 3 days before their opening match, or 4 days. So that should be sufficient enough for them to bring out something spectacular for Nigerians to enjoy at this tournament.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I want to talk to you. Yes, how are you? Yeah, well done. Sorry, August, let's talk a bit. Just a minute.
Je sais que vous avez des actualisations, je vois ça. Je suis venu vous dire que vous avez 15 minutes pour filmer et puis après, à ce point de festival, ça va devenir voilà, qui est en train de filmer, je pense pas si tout à l'heure ils ont confirmé leur officier presse, bien m'a confirmé.
Okay, so you understand some English, right?
Okay, you are all right.
No, okay, so the information we got from CAF is that normally there's the official time window for press is on the eve of the match. That should be like a Saturday for 15 minutes. But I've been able to talk to him, so he will allow us 15 minutes for today. And then he said the only official window is 15 minutes on the eve of the match. That should be Saturday. But for today we can have this.
That's
Match
match day minus one.
Match day minus one. So we're talking about that, so we can have this. Later on I will communicate officially on how we can make arrangements to have normal way we do, perhaps in our hotel. So we'll have just 15 minutes here.
That's beginning from the training, the start of the training.
So the official window for
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.